It was Brum's day for exploring the big town. On his way, he brummed past the airport. What's that? My wheels and wipers! It's a helicopter. Hello, Brum, said the helicopter pilot. Hello, said Brum. I wish I could fly, he thought. And then he stopped in his tracks. He couldn't believe his headlamps. Everyone in the big town was behaving rather strangely. It was Sweetheart's Day, when everyone in the big town gave chocolates to the person they loved best. I wonder who the lollipop lady loves, thought Brum. I've no one to be my sweetheart, Brum, she said. But just then, Mickey Mender came by in his truck. I know! I'll give my chocolates to Mickey, said the lollipop lady. Mickey! Wait! But Mickey didn't hear.